Rightio, so we got Can-Am Defender Limited Max. Beautiful piece of machinery. We're going through, we're going to hit it with the Wagai gear. Give you a quick look, guys. She's got air conditioning, heating, beautiful seats, sound system. She's got all the gear. So we're going to give you a quick video on how we're going to set it up. So we're going to mark our hole. We're going to put our Wagai bracing plates through with our thermal brackets and quick release mounts and all the gear. So we're going to have to pull the roof lining out in Zach's big rig. We got the main hole done for the handle, and we want to get the carpet right up against the roof to get all this system to finish off properly with the Wagai gear. So we're going to take this interior light out and remove it because our little console has an interior light, and we're going to be able to pick up power here. There's 6mm wires going from the battery up to here already, so we can simply just bank off these power and earth on this system, and away we go. Makes it a lot easier. So we'll pull the roof lining out and we'll see what we can do. So we've dropped the roof lining down, and we're going to remove the interior light because our console's got interior light in it. It's simply just a plug here, so we can unplug that, drop it down, and then I'm going to cut those two tabs off so the carpet will clamp up higher, and then we can bolt the system in. It's all looking pretty simple so far. We'll see how it goes. Rightio, so we cut out this plastic mould that held the interior light in, so we got a flat surface so the bracing plate will fit on the inside and the carpet can clamp up against the handle more to finish it all off. So now we're going to drill the holes and mount the handle, the bracing plates, and the console and finish it all off. We're going to run the wires across to this system under here with a fuse. Rightio. So we have the hole in the roof. We've got the power beam handle through. We're going to put the bracing plate up on top, get it square, and drill all our holes and bolt all this system together. Rightio, so we've got the plates ready. We've got all the holes drilled. We're just going to put some silicone on the top plate and bolt it all together now. Put them up on here. When you see that template on there, you just use that as a guide to drill your holes. Now we'll get it all bolted together and seal him up. So we've got 30mm M5 bolts in the front, in the two front at the handle, and at the back we got 35mm long. That's because this plate here, on this particular setup, we got this plate here to hold the wires and douche plug at the back. It's 3mm thick, so it's got to be a bit higher to sit under these wires, sit under these bolts. Can't quite reach, but give you the picture so you know. 30mm long at the front and 35mm long at the back for this particular design. We've got the wires through to go to the console. Got the bolts all through. Now we have to, we've got this adapter plate on with the douche plug. Bolts on separately. It's all come together. Got silicone under here. Make sure it's all real waterproof. We get the console and start putting it all back together. Okay, so we got the power and earth hooked up to this little junction set up here. Power on here and earth from there comes from the battery. Got our own inline fuse going. These wires will be going on the centre console. 6mm wires. So now we're going to put the roof lining back in, bolt the console in, hook the wires up, put the handle through and put the light on. Okay, so this is the centre console. I've got pre-wired all the fuses, relays and switches, centre interior light. So the wires come through the roof about here somewhere where I'm hoping where the interior light was. I can poke the wires through that hole to go into the console. Looking like I might be able to sneak that in. If not, I can get a hole saw and just put another bigger hole here, which I might just do anyway, just to make sure the wires can come through nice and easy. So we've got the roof lining back in, we've got everything wired up, we've just got to put the handle in now and the system's complete. We're going to mount the screen here on this vehicle, and as you can see, the roof lining is creased up a little bit from removing the interior light and clamping this up against the roof. But what we're going to do is, we don't have any with me, but when Zach gets home, we're going to put a little piece of foam in behind there to push that out so everything looks original and nice and uniform. Rightio, the Can-Am Defender. What is she? Can-Am Defender limited edition. She's all set up. She's got all the Wagai gear, console, interior light, power beam handle, spotlight and a quick release mount, all the gear on up here. The Light Force 2 40mm Blitz with a Hick Micro Condor thermal. Now we've got the screen mount in the middle here. All ready to go. Just hold that phone for me, Sam, and I'll jump there and show you how we clip it on. So, clip the whole system. Alright, so we've got all the wires set up so the wires can't break and everything works flawless. You got the Hick Micro Condor CQ35L. Really good unit, guys. I recommend this. Use it full-time shooting. So when you want to start hunting, you can run this setup in multiple vehicles, or daytime hunting, you want to take it off, you can. Do your 4 bolts up like so. Hook your wires through the loops on the bracket so the wires don't ever break. Plug him in. So that means your thermal's getting powered, and you got the spot. You can run your spotlight. Whether you got your spotlight on or off, your thermal's got power going to it all the time, guys. Really good, balanced, smooth unit. Going after that big bore, you can maintain maximum stability with that setup. And she is a mighty rig. So yeah, thanks very much, Zach, for bringing it to us, bud.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.